External mic. External mic only. Okay. antenna? Oh, 4G antenna. 4G antenna inside pillar. GPS antenna. Mazda 3 2013 install Senpai 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, 8-core processor, QLED screen with OEM good fitting casing, OEM power socket plug and play, steering control socket, and a radio antenna socket plug and play. QLED screen multi-angle view. Full menu. Play Store, login Gmail to download app, Waze, YouTube, Spotify, or can download from Play Store. Styling control setting, T-Link for CarPlay, Android Auto connection. You can use a USB or Bluetooth for connect. You have to use, if you want to use USB connection, you have to turn on a USB debugging. DSP, 48 band, equalizer, DSP, a preset channel. Setting, a network, so Wi-Fi network, you have to turn on Wi-Fi. Your phone hotspot, 2.4G or 5G Wi-Fi, can sharing hotspot to car player, connect Wi-Fi for internet. Or you can insert the 4G SIM, data SIM, turn on the mobile data. .4G SIM slot and a USB port, you put in a drawer, 4G and 4G SIM slot, 2 USB port. GPS antenna, sound control, navigation and a background music mixer, display a brightness setting, general, sleep time for fast food on off, no sleep as in turn off, okay, no fast food. You can set 2 hours or 1 day after will shut down player. Video output setting, reverse, turn on the reverse line. Okay, reversing selection. If you connect after market AHD camera, you have to set for AHD. If you connect original reverse camera, you have to set for the NTSC. Aston forward view, this is auto front camera function. You can set for 10 seconds or 15 seconds after reverse. Factory password 123456. You can set your canvas setting or panel key setting, logo setting, front camera channel, front view mirror. This is all factory setting. Okay. About, so it's TS18 version, 8-core processor, 1.6 GHz. Okay. Sound processor is AK7604, a radio module QN8035. Okay, Bluetooth 5.0, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Okay, screen resolution 1280x720, Android version 12. Okay, GPS, Bluetooth, pairing search, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth call. After pairing, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music, sharing full music to car player. Okay, for the shortcut, you can change your shortcut. Long press, okay, change YouTube. Add on DSP or T-Link CarPlay. Okay, so this is Senpai 2 plus 32, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, 9-inch QLED screen, OEM casing, OEM socket plug and play, and a radio antenna socket plug and play. For Mazda 3 2013 version. Senpai Android